I was an engineer before I became a physician. And my roommate at Case Western Reserve was in medical school. So I was a biomedical engineer and he was in medical school. And so I was up all night calculating all these differential equations and Laplace transforms. And he was talking about the hip bone goes to the leg bone, the knee bone, and stuff like that. So, I really got interested in what he was doing and what my applications were to medicine. And from that, it was sort of went from zoology, chemistry to engineering, and from engineering to medicine. And then from medicine, obviously, an engineer would definitely go into surgery. My expertise is really from the shoulders on up, and sort of both the aesthetic and the functional component. Plastic surgery means plastikos. It's a Greek term meaning form, but also meaning function. So, my sort of expertise is in the jaws and the nose and the paraorbital work. And so what I see is a lot of children with craniofacial anomalies, a lot of people with accidents that have deformed face, and a lot of functional problems, especially with the nose and then the mouth. And so I changed the structure to better the function, number one, and number two, to better the aesthetics, the cosmetics. I do both clinical research and with the help of others, bench type research. And so we are working on things like neuromodulation for sleep apnea, obstructive sleep apnea, working on neuromodulation for migraine headaches. And a lot of that, again, as you described, is from the team approach through innovation. The most rewarding is really how can I affect not just an individual, but multiple patients. So again, that comes up to the innovation of the Cleveland Clinic. Through innovation, you can not just help one patient at a time, but through the legacy of that innovation, you can help thousands. And so my legacy, hopefully, when I leave this earth, is not just my two beautiful sons, which I absolutely adore, but the legacy of the little things that I've done, sort of the cog in the wheel of the big machine that has helped thousands of patients through problems that nobody else has solved before.